In this video, I'm showing you how to set up and use the Drain Weasel, and then I'm giving you my honest review at the end. Start by connecting the reusable handle to the disposable wand, and then slide the yellow lock in place. The wand fits down most drain holes no matter how small they are, and the handle turns as shown here to help the tip collect debris that is clogging the drain down there. I pulled it back up and you can take a look at what's coming out, how much is coming out. If you don't feel like touching this, the wand is disposable. You can remove it and throw it away. But what I like to do is clean it off and get a few extra uses out of it. I don't mind touching the stuff. It's kind of gross, but you know, I'll touch it. I just ran the sink a little bit to see how well it's flowing. It's still kind of slow, and I want to give it a couple more goes at it to make sure that I get as much of that hair out of there as possible. And what you see here is me going at it from multiple angles to make sure that I hit all sides. I would honestly give this product an A- if I were to grade it. I think the main downside to it is cleaning off the tip, but since these wands are replaceable, then I could just throw it away if I didn't want to go through the process of reusing it. They are durable enough to get several uses out of it before you have to replace them. So other than that, I think it does a great job. I've only had to use it on this sink once, and the water flows fine, even a couple months later. If you'd like to check out the Drain Weasel for yourself, click that link in the description down below, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.
And that's how you use the Drain Weasel.